What's up with you, YouTube? Today is August 8th, 2025, and today I went 1 for 2. I took a short, got stopped out, took a long, hit TP. The bullshit happened on the short. I shouldn't really have lost as much money as I did, but it's fine. I made it back plus a little more. Mistakes happen. It was honestly some bullshit. Let's get right into these trades. So, coming into the morning, I was bullish. Very bullish. I woke up hella late. Wasn't even awake for market open. I woke up at like around 9:55 ish, and I saw this big move up. So I wanted to see a pullback into this 5 of this 15 minute before continuing higher to this 4 hour unfilled for value gap. So I did my quick little analysis. I saw we had this 1 hour gap. Well, unfilled 1 hour right to the left of us, unfilled 4 hour to the left of us, untapped 4 hour. Got this high right here. So my overall bias was bullish. I wanted to see price move higher. So the short that I took was a rebalance short, and I'll walk us through that right now. So I was waiting a little, got that move. So up until not yet, not yet. So boom. ES had not taken previous AM's high, so we put in an SMT at this high, and as soon as that SMT gets put in, boom, inverse for value gap. So this is textbook. I'm not really too mad at this loss because I would have taken this. I'm taking this 9 times out of 10. We got a liquidity sweep, no clear displacement through this high, SMT, immediate inverse for value gap. So obviously I'm gonna take this short, targeting the rebalance. Then I stop at this high, targeting this 15-minute gap, along with the 5-minute gap, because we also have all these lows to run. So boom, I'm in this trade, right? We get that change in state in delivery. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I add another contract. My fill gets moved a little bit. Now, right around here, I accidentally added 2 more contracts. I didn't mean to. I don't know why that happened, but basically my fill this is generous. My fill got moved to like right down here type shit. So then all of a sudden I was over risked. I had to sell 2, or I sold 3. I bought 3 to move my fill, and that's basically where I was. So I didn't have a chance to let this trade really play out, or a chance to move my stop break even really after taking these lows, which is what I planned to. But it didn't end up going my way anyways. I ended up getting stopped out. So I was fine with that. So then I noticed put in an SMT with these lows right here. So maybe that's why NQ didn't need to go any lower. Not only did we put in that SMT, but we also had a change of state and delivery right over here. And I'm liking what I'm seeing for the longs. Using this as my main high, my main TP, and then leaving a run into here. So we still have this small fair value gap to inverse. But as soon as we respected this bullish fair value gap, I went in again, putting my stop right around. What the fuck? Went in again, putting my TP around here, my stop loss. It wasn't that low. My stop loss was like right here. So I wanted to see that fair value gap hold. So yeah, so it took a little, but we got the displacement ES and needed to catch up a little. So I'm assuming that's why this little bit of chop happened. Because ES was also very bullish, but it just needed to catch up. So right here, as soon as we took that high, I took off the majority of my position because like I wasn't really on the charts all day. This was more like I was on the charts for like 10 minutes up until this point. So I wanted to be safe. I wanted to secure back from what I lost in this trade because it was some bullshit. So boom, at that point I'm kind of like break even, and this holds. So I had another contract. We might stop here and let it run, baby. Those were the trades that I took today. Were they A++ setups? No. I consider them maybe like a B+ setup, but I wasn't really risking too much. The most I was willing to lose today was like 150, 170. Ended up plus 80 on the day. Took this on my Top Step too. My Top Step plus 100 on the day. Wasn't really a big green day, but green is green, baby. And that's all that really matters. So that was my trade recap for today. I'll catch y'all in the next one.